how to create backlinks for WordPress website. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a free and open source content management system that allows users to create and manage website with ease. So now the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to this wordpress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. And after that, you will be directed in this dashboard and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that we can start navigating. And to start creating a backlinks in here in our website, all you need to do is simply go to our post section. By clicking on it, you'll be able to see here all of the posts in our website in here. So for instance, I'm going to edit this one by clicking this edit button, this article post. By clicking on it, it will automatically be directed us on this page where it will show us that we can start editing this post. And to start adding a backlinks, we can start creating or adding a new elements by clicking the plus button on the top left corner to adding, for example, I'm going to add here in all of those elements the paragraph section by simply adding here on the top of this image. And from here, we can simply enter the context that we prefer. For example, I'm going to enter here, learn how to sleep easily. So that will be the context that I'm going to put a backlinks. Then we can simply add more kind of context in here. I'm just going to enter a random text. And after that, in order to start creating a links, we can simply search for example or for specific website we want to link the specific context in our WordPress. And as you can see, I just searched on Google this how to sleep fast and it will show us a variety of results. And upon clicking to this website in here, it will show us the context on this website. So we're going to simply copy the URL of this one. And after that, just simply go back to our WordPress website or post editor section in here and simply highlight the context that you want to add a backlinks. For example, this word sleep easily. And after selecting it, just click the icon on the top of it, which is the link icon. And after clicking on it, just simply paste here the URL that we just copied earlier. And after that, it will now show you in here that the sleep early is now been creating a backlinks or it became a hyperlink text. So when a visitor try to click the sleep early context, they will be directed on the website where they can learn how to sleep fast or easily. And let's say from here, we're just going to simply copy some of the context that we're going to add in our WordPress website. For example, this part, I'm just going to simply copy it and paste it directly in here. But it is just only an example of how you can start creating a backlinks on a specific website in this WordPress, in which all you need to do is simply choose a URL or website that you want to simply redirect the viewers by selecting any specific context in here and simply add a hyperlink text in here. For example, again, this durable glass, we're going to add here a backlinks, and all you need to do is simply search on Google, for example, durable glass. And upon searching on it, it will show us all of the result in here. So I'm just going to click this one and simply copy the URL of it. And going back in here and click the link icon on the top panel and simply paste it in here. And upon clicking this one, it will show us the durable glass is now been or become a hyperlink text or with a backlinks in here. So now to save the changes, we can simply click the save button on the top right corner to save it and click the preview button after successfully saving all of the changes that we just created by clicking this view post button below. Upon clicking on it, it will show us what it looks like in our website, in our WordPress. So when you try to click this one, it will show us or be directed us on this page. Well, from here, if you try to go back in here and click this durable glass, you'll be able to be directed again on different website. And basically, backlinks play a crucial role in the success of a WordPress website, primarily in terms of search engine optimization and online visibility. And overall, that is just basically how to create backlinks for WordPress website.